human beings are the most, best copycats. There are a lot of industries which are doing really well. We have call centers, we have telecom companies, we have other businesses which are doing good in retail space. How can I, take these examples and also can implement in beauty industry? I just like to share, a lot of things are there which can be implemented here. Like, I keep on talking to a lot of customers. One of the major pain point what they have is like, how will I capture my customer experience? I have been thinking, how will I capture? There are two ways. One is I'll give you a printed copy asking for the customer feedback. I go to salons. There are some books kept for asking for feedback. But does it work? As long as there is manual intervention, I go to a salon, somebody asks for a feedback. As long as there is manual intervention, I never give a good, proper feedback. Somebody is standing in front of me. I obviously, though my experience is not that good, I always tend to give a good feedback about them. So what can be done? I have been thinking. Then I got to know like there are telecom companies who take feedbacks on mobile phones. We keep on, talking to the call centers. They ask for a feedback on mobile phones. Why not that in a spa or a salon industry? How it can be done? You put up a number. You put up a number in the salon asking for a feedback. Usually who will give a feedback is people who are really not happy. I want to take out my frustrations. What I do, I call up that number. This has to be very simple, 30 seconds, 0 to 5. 0 being the worst experience and 5 being the best. Somebody, assume like you call up, I called up this number and it says, could you please give me a feedback? I dial 0, which is worse. Next moment, the spa manager or a salon manager should get a message saying that there is an unhappy customer in your outlet. What happens? Usually, whenever there's an unhappy customer, assume a owner of the outlet or a manager immediately calls you then and there and try to, ask what's the problem. Though you might have not given a proper service there, the customer is ready to give you one more chance. This is what is required in our industry. Okay, this is one part. I have been also thinking about, we pay so much for our salon managers, spa managers. How will I utilize them more? There are many spas and salons wherein maximum might be around 10 to 15 tickets in a day. What happens in rest of the time? We pay them 25, 30K. Am I utilizing them properly? What can be done? We have these call centers. Why not a call center solution in all these salons and spas? Assume I publish a number. Okay. Whatever calls you are getting and whatever calls you are making. Now, as Sudhir said, there's an entire CRM. Okay, in any of the software, there's an entire CRM. I know, I will just pull out the data, people who have spent around 5,000 rupees in my outlet. Okay, this is one set of customers. What I can do is like, I can call this customer and make them spend 5,500 rupees. This is one set of customers. There are another set of customers wherein I come to your outlet only for a haircut. I spend only maximum 1,000 rupees in your outlet. Here what I can do is like I can make them spend 1,200 rupees max, but I can't make them spend 5,000. So we will take out this, we will take out this in clusters, give it to your managers. Okay. This solution, what it does, you will be able to monitor your people. Most of the time, if I ask my salon manager or a spa manager, say, you have to make this many calls. What reply you get? I didn't get that number. This number is always busy. Okay, they did not respond to me properly. You will be able to monitor that. There are solutions wherein you will be able to record each and every call and see what kind of calls have been made from the outlet, how many calls have been made, so and so. Okay. Next comes associations where all we can associate. There are loyalty programs. Why not have a tie-up? Why not have a tie-up with another outlet? Why not have a tie-up with another business? This can be done in, there are many people who are doing, but how to do it? There are technologies, there are people who are doing it and successful. Why not copy from these industries? Okay, I actually was in a cafe coffee day. I see an ad, they have some association with Kama Sutra. Okay. They are promoting their perfume brand, and there's a drink which is named after KS. When Cafe Coffee Day can associate with Kama Sutra, just imagine what all, where all you can have associations to boost your business.